Accessing list elements. To access individual elements in a list, we use indexing. The index starts from 0 for the first element, and we can also use negative indexing to access elements from the end of the list. For example, mylist 0 will give us the first element of the list. Modifying list elements. Lists are mutable, which means we can modify their elements. We can assign new values to specific indexes or use methods like append, insert, or remove to add, insert, or remove elements from the list. List operations. Lists support various operations like concatenation, repetition, and slicing. We can concatenate two lists using the plus operator, repeat a list using the asterisk operator, and slice a list to extract a portion of it using the slice notation mylist, start, end.